More leaks of the Z Flip 7. So apparently this might be coming out on July 9th after all. Well, I guess it was originally leaked July 10th. But now the most recent leaks is it's going to be July 9th. Guys, you got to love leakers. Leaks, you always got to take leaks with a grain of salt because anything could happen. You know, they'll say this is going to happen this time, this happened, and then none of it is correct or all of it's correct. So, anyway, this is the most recent leak of the Z Flip 7, and the point of this leak is to show off how massive that outside display truly is. And I've said this before, right? We're at a point now with especially with flippable cell phones, I'll say. Flippable cell phones are at a point now, how can they keep upgrading these year by year? Like, at some point, I feel like we're going to max out flippable cell phones, and they're going to just have to be like a processor update, and that's pretty much it. Because if you look at this point, look at the bezels of the Z Flip 7. There pretty much are none. Like, they're there, but they're so thin and small, it's to a point where it's almost bezelless. And also, it's very, very thin, too, which also makes it really cool. But it's to a point now with the outside display where how much bigger can they make the outside display? The only thing that they could do at this point is make the phone longer vertically. So, like, make it like a bigger display on the inside. That's really the only thing they can do. And to a certain degree, if they make it too big, it becomes affordable. It's like, bro, there's only so much more they can upgrade with these flippable cell phones. They have wireless charging. They have waterproofness. Some have dust resistance. They have a beautiful outside display. They have, I guess they could go above 120 hertz, which obviously Motorola does. But, like, at some point, I'm like, what are we going to do where this is the limit? You know, like, this is like, okay, we're done. We can't update this anymore. At some point, they're going to have to fully focus on software. And it's going to have to be the selling point every year is new features on software base and applications. That's going to have to be where we go from now on. Because we're at a point where hardware, it's just to a point where it's either one, it's perfect, or two, they're going to try to, you know, make some crazy idea changes or like try to revamp or, as they say, redo the wheel, like revamp the wheel, and it's going to fail. So they're at a point now where it's like they have to figure something out, but still beautiful. Absolutely love the Z Flip 7. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and also the inside bezels are still looking, I mean, never mind. They look good.